Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very simple but extremely powerful home remedy that can help you double your hair growth naturally. If you're struggling with hair fall, thinning hair, or even bald patches, then you'll definitely want to watch this video all the way till the end. Trust me, this is one of those remedies you don't want to miss. So let's get started. How to use Vaseline for double hair growth. You heard it right. Vaseline, that simple product most of us already have lying around in our homes, can be combined with some natural ingredients to give your hair a new life. It not only helps in reducing baldness, but also promotes thick, long, and shiny hair. For our first recipe, we are going to need just one onion. Now, onions may seem like a strange choice, but they are one of the best natural remedies for hair growth. They are loaded with sulfur, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties that make them perfect for treating hair issues. The first step is very simple. Peel the onion. Make sure you remove the outer dry layer and clean it properly. Now, why onion? Because onions treat severe hair loss. They go deep into the scalp, nourish the roots, and strengthen the hair from within. So if you have been struggling with weak, thin, or falling hair, this ingredient is going to be a game changer. Next, take a grater and grate the onions. This process will help release all the natural juice from the onion, which is where the magic lies. Remember, the fresher the onion juice, the better the results you will see. When you grate the onion, what happens is that the onion juice strengthens the hair follicles. And as you may know, strong follicles mean strong hair growth. This makes your hair grow profusely and very quickly compared to normal conditions. Once you finish grating, the next step is to extract the onion juice. You can do this by using a strainer or a clean muslin cloth. Just press it gently to make sure you get every drop of that pure, rich onion juice. And now we have it, pure onion juice, ready to be used. The next ingredient is the star of this recipe, Vaseline. Take about 1 tablespoon of Vaseline and add it to the onion juice. Why Vaseline? Well, it may surprise you, but Vaseline stimulates hair growth and also helps treat baldness. It works by sealing moisture into the scalp, protecting it from dryness, and creating a healthy environment for new hair to grow. Before we mix, we need to melt the Vaseline in a water bath. This step is important because solid Vaseline won't blend well with the onion juice. By gently melting it, we'll get a smooth consistency that can easily be applied to the hair. So now that the mixture is ready, let's talk about how to apply this on the hair. Take the mixture and apply it directly to your scalp. Make sure to focus especially on the bald areas or any patches where your hair is thinning. Then, gently massage your scalp for about 2 minutes. Massaging is very important because it helps the mixture penetrate deep into your scalp, boosts blood circulation, and encourages new hair growth. After massaging, take a piece of cling film or plastic wrap and wrap your hair. This helps trap the heat, making the treatment even more effective. Leave the mixture on your hair for about 1 hour. After that, wash it off with a mild shampoo. For best results, it's recommended to repeat this recipe just once a week. That's it. Simple, easy, and very effective. Now let's move on to recipe number 2. This one is just as powerful, but it combines Vaseline with some nourishing oils. Take 1 tablespoon of Vaseline and put it in another clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Both of these oils are well known for their ability to deeply nourish the scalp, repair damaged hair, and add a beautiful shine. Coconut oil strengthens from the root, while olive oil provides deep hydration. Again, melt the Vaseline in a water bath so that it mixes smoothly with the oils. Stir until everything is well combined and you'll get a creamy, smooth mixture. Apply this mixture to your scalp the same way as the first recipe. Massage it in, wrap your hair, and leave it for an hour before washing. You can choose to use either recipe 1 or recipe 2 depending on your preference, and just keep using it consistently. The best part? You will start noticing a huge difference from the very first week. Your hair will feel stronger, shinier, and much healthier. And with continuous use, your hair can grow up to 3 times faster. Imagine having thick, long, and strong hair without relying on expensive salon treatments or chemical products. That's the power of these natural remedies. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to press the like button. It really supports the channel. And of course, subscribe if you want more natural beauty tips and remedies delivered straight to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!